Imagine giving an AI a goal like research and plan a marketing strategy for my app, and then watching it figure out the steps and carry them out one by one. That's the power of AI agents. In simple terms, an AI agent is like a proactive assistant powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of just answering a single question, it can take an objective you give it and then decide what actions to take to achieve that goal. It will plan, think, execute tasks, and adjust its approach along the way, almost like an autonomous problem solver. So what makes an AI agent autonomous? The key is that it can iterate and operate without needing new instructions for every little step. For example, if you say, "Help me analyze our website and suggest improvements," a traditional AI might just give a one-time answer, but an autonomous agent would break that down, first fetching website content, then reviewing analytics, then compiling a report. It reasons through each step on its own. This concept became popular thanks to projects like AutoGPT and AgentGPT, which showed how AI can chain thoughts and actions to solve multi-step tasks without constant human input. For an intermediate developer like you, AI agents aren't just theory. They're something you can start building today. Whether it's a code assistant fixing bugs or a research agent summarizing data, the possibilities are endless. This video series will guide you through everything you need to know to get started. From understanding the basics to building your own AI agent using free and open source tools, all without needing expensive hardware or paid APIs.